kita mo naman may programa na sila hanggang April, official digest ng karera. So, well, anyway, race number 1, Brown Tiger, na-chamba lang ni Black Eagle yan dahil inutupag si Isabel. Tingin ko mananalo yan. 3, 2, and 5 yung Cunningham. Magaling din yun. Alright, anak, Sunday to, Sunday. Race number 2. Amazing. Diba? Ang tatalo lang yan, biyahe. Second choice ko, Speed Dancer. Third choice ko, si Laugh in the Rain. 1, 8, and 2.
Right.
Alright. Pakilagay. Race number 3. Pakilagay nga, anak. Race number 3. Race number 3. Tiko, magaling patok. 1 for the day, Lady Bagret. Second choice ko, si Queen Bell. Third choice ko, si Step Bell. 5, 3, and 2. Wala nang iba. 5, 3, and 2. Alright? So sabi ni Beatrice, quick vlog 3 minutes para hindi masira. 5, 3, and 2. Race number 4. Dihado tayo, Golden Charger. Gusto ko. Second choice ko si Spaghetti pababa. Third choice ko si Black Prism. 7, 4, and 3. Alright? Alright? Race number 5. Another patok. Super majority. So dalawa na yung patok for today. Second choice and Fuego. Third choice Amaranth. 7, 4, and 6. So dalawa na patok. Isang super majority tsaka si Lady Bagret. Dalawa na panolo nyo. Race number 6. Race number 6 tricky. Kasi pwede lang ito si Catral, yung Aerial Bay, magaling daw yan eh. Sabi nila. Aerial Bay, 1-11, Justifiable so, sa Quencio. So, 1, 6, and 4 tayo. Alright? Aerial Bay pala, 6, 4, Justifiably so, and Quencio. Ayaw kay Catral ngayon, I don't feel. Alright?
Okay.
Race 7, parang lamang asentado pero hindi si Sky. Siya lang ang bandera dito. So, question mark. Tapos yung Go Aidan Go, miskin na ilabas, aparato naman ang kalaban. So, 1, 4, and 2. Pero magtatlo na kayo dyan para safe. Race number 7. 1, 4, and 2. Alright? Alright. Race number 8. Ayaw mo mag-alright. Mag-alright ka, anak. Ayaw. Bad trip si Beatrice. Ayaw mag-alright.
Ito.
Street Swag, lamang. Second choice, Del Campo. Third choice, yung Fields de Amor na bandera. 7, 2, Del Campo, and 1, Fields de Amor. Yung whiskey or wine, alam ko may magandang trako yan. Shade of green bandera dito. Pero 7, 2, and 1 yan. Alright? So, Sunday racing. Remember to be good because God is good all the time. See you guys. Bye-bye.